we got on. And we have the windows. You can see that the first pallet, it's just one high and then fits right in. We put some insulation. We're gonna be putting insulation in the middle of the pallet. Has a loft. There's a loft up there. And it's gonna be a window there. Yeah, so basically it's the pallets on the side. We reinforced it with a 2x4 at the top of the window and on the bottom. Now all we have to do is put on the siding. So here's the siding. What I got was these free tarps from Dixon. They use them to cover the wood, and I put it on the pallets, and then the siding will go on top of that. Here's the electrical. I'm going to have 2 light switches. One light switch is going to have a dome light here, and then the second one goes up here. We're gonna actually have a dome light in the middle here. So this is the wire, and I'm gonna be using a 12-volt battery. I got this at the Habitat for Humanity for $4. So that's the light fixture there. So I'm going to be using that. And what I have is I'll have a main power outlet here and a main power outlet right there. So 2 powers. And I'm going to be using this. I've got this 600 watt battery power box, and so this is going to give you your AC voltage And then it also has your DC, and it's going to be charged by this solar panel that was on sale for like 160 bucks. It's 150 watt, 12 volts solar panel. So I'll have that on the roof. Plan to put LED trimming around, and there'll be 2 light switches up there. One light switch is for the right side and to the left. So, and all the power, I'm gonna make a plug on the outside right here. You can see that wire coming down. That's gonna be connected to the roof of the solar panel. So here we are. I'm doing the electrical. I have 2 light switch. One light switch will be for the LED lights on this trim, and the other one will be for these 2 lights here. You can see up above I have 2 light switches as well. Turn that on. You can see the LED strip there. Just on a 2x2 piece of wood, and I cut them like in a triangle, and then I stuck the LEDs on the side. So this was the idea. So you can see it here. Here's a 2x2, and I just cut it in half. Then I put it on up like that in that triangle. It'll just hide. And then I put that light on along the through. So here